Grease is everywhere. Every commercial kitchen produces fog. And most still rely on outdated passive or in-ground grease traps. But these traps fill up fast. They're messy, smelly, and expensive to maintain. And in-ground grease traps don't protect your pipes at the source. Introducing Grease Guardian, a smart, self-cleaning automatic grease removal device that is installed right at the source. It actively skims grease from wastewater automatically, every day, without chemicals or manual cleaning. With a self-cleaning cycle and auto-skim function, you stay in control, without the mess. Grease Guardian removes up to 99.7% of free-floating fats, oils, and grease, collecting clean biofuel-ready material in a separate container. From cafes to commercial kitchens, centralized systems for malls, airports, and even marine applications, Grease Guardian fits any setup. Trusted by global brands like McDonald's, Hilton, and KFC, it's the future of grease management. Stop blockages, bad smells, and expensive cleanouts. Choose Grease Guardian, the smart, hygienic, low-maintenance solution. Contact us today